Hey guys, this is Melissa with Practically Creative. Welcome back to the Holiday Hop for 2023. We are almost completely done. I'm getting ready to put together my quilt top and then I'll show you the finished product. But I'll show you how I do it and hopefully you'll get some tips and tricks out of this for how to do it yourself. Here we go. Okay, so here I am at my sewing machine. I have cut all of my sashing strips for between my blocks, and I have put my blocks in the order that I want them for each row. On each of these stacks, I'm doing 4 rows of 3. On each of these stacks, I have clipped a number that tells me that it's row 1, and then I put them in order from left to right so that I can add my sashing strips on here. I won't be talking during this process, and I will speed it up for you so you can see it, so we get quickly to the end of this and get to see the final quilt. So today I am sewing on a Baby Lot Jazz 2 sewing machine. I have my stitch length at 2.5, and we're just going to start right here at the very top. My number back in front of me. I don't even have to take my number off. Let's leave that on there so we don't get confused down the road. And I'm just going to take the first sashing strip. I'm going to line it up along the edge of my block. And this block has a little bit extra added to it because when I got done with it, somehow I managed to not have it the same size as the other blocks. So I added a little 1.25 inch strip all the way around. And now we're just going to add our sashing.